Hi and welcome to Trendlog. In this video I will show you how to create a view for your trend board. First, go to your trend boards. Views is where you decide how your data should be displayed. Start by clicking on Views in the top menu. Click on the green plus in the upper right corner to add a new view. Tap on the small arrow to select how you want to visualize your data. You can choose from Trend Chart, for example diagrams, Trend OEE, for example speedometer, Trend Sign, for example temperature or whether the device is running or not, Trend Stop, registration of stop courses. In this example, I will select Trend Sign and then click Create. Now you have to select your feed. Click on the green plus in the box that pops up. Click on the field called Data Feed to bring up the list of all your feeds. Select Product Count and then click OK. Click OK to save. Name your view in the box in the middle above your view and then press Enter. If you want to change the feed, then click on the gear in the upper left corner. Click on the feed and then on the pen to edit it. If you want to delete it, then click on the red minus button. If you want to customize your view, then click on the three vertical lines in the upper left corner. In Sign Type, you can decide how you want to display your view. For example, whether it should be the standard view or a circular view. Here you can change the font color, font size, and the color of the background. Click OK to save. Once you have set up your view, click on the green check mark to save it. Repeat this process for each view you want to display on your trend board. Now you know how to create a view for your trend board. For more guides, please visit our website at www.trendlog.io.